a competitive attitude. We all have an attitude. Some are subtle, some are overt. Any time that we think we are victim of the man, we have an attitude. But nowadays, even the man has a man. We are kept in check by each other and are bound to move only as our attitude allows. We move up and down, hither and yon. We express our anger. All hell breaks loose as we eke out our existence. Living like this, I am not surprised we don't have more fun.